Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's begin our lesson today. Good morning, everyone. Uh, the title for today's lesson is Multiplying Creatively. We're going to do multiplication, but today it's going to be a little bit different, which is how to multiply using some techniques. Okay, the same thing that we did with addition and subtraction, we're going to do with multiplication. طيب. Do you remember when we used to say, for example, 238 times 4, for example, okay? How did we use to multiply? We used to say like this, right? Times 4, isn't it?
Yes. Yeah.
Then we used to multiply the 4 by 8, which is 38. And then we used to multiply the 4 by the 3, or in other words, by 30. 4 by 30, 120, right?
120.
Okay. And then multiplying the 4 by the 2, or in other words, by 200.
Hey. Can you repeat it, sir?
طيب, do you remember how to multiply in this
Teacher,
way?
can you?
Yes,
Yeah.
I'll repeat. We multiply the 4 by 8, 4 by 3, and the 4 by 2. 4 by 8 is 32, and 4 by 3 is 12, and the 0 because we are multiplying the 4 by the 3, and 3 is in tens. This means 4 times 30, right? So it is 120. And then multiplying 4 by 2 or by 200. Why 200? Because the 2 is in hundreds. So 4 times 200 is 800, right? And then we add.
I don't understand.
You didn't understand? Who didn't understand?
I understand.
This is something we have studied.
I don't understand, teacher. Yeah.
Hey guys, this is the thing. This thing we have studied previously. This year and last year and before this year, before the last year also. Multiplying is going to be carried out in this way. For example, 238 times 4. You had to place the two numbers in this way. 238 times 4. Then you are going to multiply 4 by 8, 4 by 3, 4 by the 2. 4 times 8 is 32. And then you add. Okay, then you multiply 4 times 3, which is 12. But we have to put the 0 here. Why? Because we are multiplying by 30. It's not in fact, it's not 3, it's 30, right?
Yeah.
It is 30 because it is in tens. So 4 times 30 is 120. So that's why we put the 0 here. It's not only 4 by 3, 12. It is 4 by 30, 112. Last thing, you multiply the 4 by the 2, or in other words, by 20. But why? Because the 2 is in the hundreds place. Okay?
Okay.
It means 4 times 20 is 800. Then you add, right?
Yeah.
2,
Yeah.
5, 9. 5.
900.
This is the same as you can do it like, what is this number?
238 times 4.
5. Is it the same as 200 plus 30 plus
Plus
8?
8. Yeah. Yeah.
The same. So we are going to multiply all these three numbers by
9. By
times
4.
4. This means we are going to multiply the 4 by this, and the 4 by this, and the 4 by this. Okay? So what we did here, we splitted the number into hundreds, into its values, into the digits values. The value of 2 is 200. The value of 3 is 30.
30.
The value of 8 is 8.
8.
Then multiply the,
I didn't understand.
what did you
Maybe
understand? What did you understand? We
The
just,
first
which
when we
one?
time.
This,
No,
this,
this one by red.
this
Behind.
one.
Not the plus. The 4. Yeah, this one.
What is 4 times 30?
This one we time only.
Yes, multiplication. We multiply 4
Mm.
by 3. And 3,
But why we multiply by 30?
where is the 3 here? Okay,
Here.
let's say by 3. Let's say by 3. 4 times 3 is 12.
1 times 3, 12.
And you remember when we used to put the 0 here?
Yeah.
Yeah, this means the same as this. Why do we put the 0? Because actually we are multiplying by 30, not by 3. Okay.
Mm.
Why? Because the 3 is intense.
238.
3 is intense. So it's 30. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Type. Because maybe you used to multiply this way, but you didn't understand where the 0 and the 2 zeros comes from where. Okay. You used to multiply 4 times 3 is 12, and you put the 0, and then you multiply 2 by 4, which is 8, and then you put the 2 zeros because we have 2 digits here. Yeah, because we are in hundreds, we are multiplying by hundreds, so you put 2 zeros. Like this is the same as you multiply this way. We splitted the number into its digits values. 200 plus 30 plus 8, this means 238. And then you multiply the 4 by 200, multiply the 4 by 30, multiply the 4 by 8. So 200 times what? Times 4.
Times 4, teacher.
And then plus, this plus. Why plus? Because we have 20 plus 30 plus 8. Okay, plus 30, right? 30 times 4. And then plus 8 times
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 4.
4.
what we did here is just we multiply the 4, multiplying the 4 by 20 plus multiplying the 4 by 30 plus multiplying the 4 by 8. Okay. Okay, understand?
Yeah.
Right. Who didn't understand?
Not me.
Right. 4 times 20, 4 times 200, sorry.
4 times
800. 800. 800.
Like this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Plus 30 times
Four.
4 is
30 times
120.
20.
good.
120.
And then last thing is plus what? 8 times 4.
Plus 8. 23.
30.
32. 32. 32. 32.
Okay, 32. This is the same as this. Then we add the same we did here. We are adding here. So the answer is 952. Did you get the idea? Right.
So can you hear me?
I can hear you. Right. Let's have another example.
Teacher, I want to answer this question.
What is 19 times 75? Right. Can we do the same thing like what we did here? Can we extend this idea to this example?
Yeah. 10 plus
No.
9.
10
Plus 9.
What if we make 19 like 20 minus 1? So today we need to be creative. We need to multiply creatively, okay? So we need to create new ideas. 20 minus 1 is
20 minus 19.
19. So I will put like, wait. 20 minus 1 equals, oops,
19.
19. So instead of 19 here, I will put what?
19, 20 minus 1.
20 minus
20
1.
minus 1.
This is the same as 19, right?
Yeah.
And then we have multiplying by
75.
75. Okay?
Okay.
This will be equal to what? The
Equal
same what we did here. What did we do here? When we had addition, then we,
5
wait.
times 9 equal 45.
Wait. Previously we had like addition, then we multiply the 4 by the all numbers here, right? So we will do the
Yeah.
same thing. We will do the same thing.
5 times 9 equals 45.
We are going to multiply the 20 by 72 and the 1 by 72. No. By the whole number. 20 by 75, 1 by 25. Okay?
Okay.
And then we subtract because we have subtraction here. We have minus. So the problem will be 20 multiplied
75
minus
minus 1.
1 times
1 times 5.
5.
75. Not only by 5, by the whole number, guys. 75.
Okay.
So we multiply 75 by 20 and by 1. We extended, okay? We extended the multiplication.
Sir, I don't understand this one.
And me also. And me.
All right. I will repeat. So what is our problem? Our problem is 19 times 75, right?
Yeah.
Right. Instead of putting 19, I put 20 minus 1. So this is 20 minus 1 times
75.
Okay, I put it inside brackets. Do you remember when we studied operation with brackets?
Yeah.
Why did I put it inside brackets? Because this will give me 19. 20 minus 1 will give me 19.
19.
Okay. Then I will do the same thing I did here. What did I do here? What did I do? I
I
multiplied the 4 by 20, the 4 by 30, and the 4 by 8. I multiply the 4 by the whole number inside the bracket. Okay?
Okay.
And don't forget, this is the same as this. Right?
Yeah.
We multiply the
Yeah.
4 by 8, but 4 by 3, the 4 by 2, or by 200. Okay? So the
Okay.
same we'll do here. We will multiply the number here by the whole numbers inside the brackets. What do we have inside the brackets?
20 minus 1.
20 minus
20
1.
minus 1.
So we will multiply the 75 by the 20 and by the 5, by the 1. Okay?
Okay.
So 75 times 20, and then minus. Why minus? Because minus is between the 20 and the 1.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Minus 1 times 75. This is the same as I took the 75, give it to the 1, and give it to the 20.
20.
So 20 times 75 is
20 times.
140.
Is it 140?
No.
It is 100. Sorry, 1,425. You can check it, okay? 100.
145.
1,425. 1,425 minus.
One teacher.
Minus 1.
What did you say? Why?
1.
Let's multiply. Let's multiply.
Because
Wait. 75 times 20. Okay, because we have the 0, we will put the 0 here. 2 times 5 is
5. 10.
10. Right?
5.
10.
Right.
2 times 5, 10.
Wait. No, wait. First, we multiply the 0 by the 5 by the 0. Okay, then plus 2 times 5 is
2 times 5, 10.
10. And then 2 times 4,
2 times 7.
2 times 7 is
14.
plus 1.
Plus 15.
So,
15.
oh, it's not going to be like this, right?
Yeah.
Oh my God, why is it? Okay, it's 100.
Teacher, I don't understand.
And me, why?
Teacher, I don't understand. Me too.
What didn't you understand? What thing you didn't understand? This?
Sure, how you
No,
do like
this thing.
What?
why
How
you do like
this?
Ahmad, what's your question?
Can you
How the answer is 1,425.
No, this is wrong. This is not correct. I'm sorry. This is not correct. This will be 1,500. Why? Why? Let's multiply 0 times 5, 0, 0 times 7, 0. Then plus. Okay.
This will be 100 over 1,500.
2 times 5 is 10. So 0 and 1 here. 2 times 5, 2 times
2
7,
times 7, 14,
14,
plus
14,
1,
15.
so 0 and 0, 5, and 1.
Teacher, why would
understand. Yeah.
100?
Now I understand.
Who asked? Sarah or Hanin?
No, why up we put 100?
No, this is not 100. 0, 0, because 0 times 5 is 0 and 0 times 7 is 0. Okay. Hey guys, this is the normal way of multiplication that we already studied.
I understand.
Do you remember how to multiply?
Yeah.
All right. So now we multiply the 20 by 75. which is 1,500. And then minus. Why minus? Because after this we have minus. 1 times 75.
1 times 75 equal
75.
75.
So subtract or minus.
Five.
Subtract 75 from 1,500 is going to be 1,425.
Teacher,
Yes.
why we put minus 75? Where is minus 1?
What?
Where is minus 1?
Yeah.
Why
Why
we
put it minus 75? Minus 1.
So you didn't get the idea yet. We said that we multiply the 20 by 75. This is 20 by 75.
75.
And then we multiply the 1 by
Yeah.
75. This is 1 times 75. This is 20
Equal
times
75.
25. And minus is between. Don't forget the minus.
Oh, yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Right. Now, what does this mean? Yes? Any question?
No, thank you, teacher.
Sarah, do you have a question? Right. What does it mean? Multiplying 19 by 75 is the same as multiplying 20 by 75 and minus 1 times 75. How many groups here? 19 groups, right? Times 75, right? You know what's multiplication? Multiplication,
Yeah, we know.
for example, 2 times 3. This means you have 2 groups, right? And in each group you have three things, right? 2 times
Yeah.
3.
Teacher,
Yep. Yes. Any question?
No.
Right.
teacher,
What does it mean 2 times 3, for example? 2 times 3 means we have 2 groups. In each group we have 3 things. Okay? So how many things do we have inside? 6, right? So times 2 times 3 is 6. Type. This is the same as 19 times 75. This means you have 19 groups. Okay? In each group, how many do you have? In each group,
75.
you have 75, 75, 75. Okay?
Okay.
Right. This is the same as you have 20 groups. Okay? Okay, if you have 20 groups times 25, 75. So you will add one group, right? Which
Yeah.
is 75. So 19 times 75 is the same as 20 times 75 minus one group. Take one group. Okay?
Yeah, I understand now.
You take one
No, I
group, means 20
understand.
minus 1. Again. Type 20 times 75. How many groups of 75s?
20
20.
group.
20 groups, right?
Yeah.
Imagine we have 20 here, okay? In each group we have 75, 75, 75. So 19 times 75 means all these groups minus one group, right? So this
Yeah.
that's why we put 20 minus 1, okay, times 75. So this means we're going to multiply 20 times 75. All of these are 20, right?
Yeah.
Times 75, but minus one group of 75.
Yeah, it will be minus 75
Yes, minus one group times
because
75.
the group is 75.
Yep. So this is the concept. The concept is to multiply the 20, all the 20 by 75, and then you take one of them, which is when you take one of the 20 times 25, 75, this means you took 1 times 75. Mathematically, you can do it like this way. You can understand it this way, but when you relate it to the reality, this is like this.
Okay.
Teacher, I don't understand very well.
That's me.
Right.
I don't understand.
With me.
طيب, I'll explain it again. Focus, please.
Okay.
I'm explaining why did we put 20 minus 1 times 75 is the same as this. 20 times 75 minus 1 times 75. Why? Because 20, wait. Oops. Because 20 times 75 is, what does it mean? 20 times 75.
19.
Sarah
19.
and
100.
also didn't understand.
1,500.
Suhaila,
What?
did you say you didn't understand this, right?
Not very well.
Oh, okay, not very well. Sarah and Suhaila.
I
Tell me-
understand, but
tell me
Suhaila.
what-
Teacher, I don't understand.
Okay, if you understand, quiet. If you didn't understand, please go step by step with me. 20 times 75. This means you have 20 groups. Okay? Let me
Okay.
draw the whole 20 groups to make it more understandable. Okay, 5. How many groups here?
20.
20.
In each group we have 75, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
75, 75, all groups. So this means multiplication, right? This means
Yes.
this means 20 times
75.
75.
Teacher, we have 22.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so let me delete 2. Now we have 20, right?
Yeah.
20 times 75, this means we have 20 groups. In each group we have 75, okay?
Okay.
Right.
Teacher,
Yes.
we can't do 2. We can't do 2 multiply 7 and 0 multiply 5.
No. No, you cannot do this way. Because we have 70 here, not 7. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Type. Okay, all these are 20 times 75. If you delete, if you minus this one, imagine you minus this one. This means how many groups? Minus this
19.
19
One.
times 75, right? Right?
Yeah.
If you minus
Yes.
minus what? Minus this one.
Minus 1.
Minus 1 times what?
75.
75. Is it the same? Is this the same as this?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. No. No, sorry, not this. 19. Hopes. Wait.
19
Wait.
is that have to be 20.
Okay, this is my 19 times 75, right?
20.
Okay. When you subtract, you have here 1 times 75. This one, right? And all the others is 19 times 75. So this means 20. The whole is 20, right?
Yeah.
20 times 75, the whole. Minus this one. 1 times 75 is going to be 19 times 75. Is it clear or not yet?
Yes, clear.
I understand this, but I don't understand the behind us.
You didn't understand what?
Behind this one.
This?
Yeah.
This is the same. When you have 20, type. Let's say we have only okay. Let's say we have only 19, guys. Let's say we have 19 groups, okay? So this means we have here 19, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is 19 times 75. Type. Is it going to be the same as you have 20? This is 20 right now. 20 times 75. Type. If you minus this one, if you minus it, minus 1. 1 times 75. It's going to be 19. The rest, if you minus this, the rest will be 19 times 75, right?
Yeah.
That's why we have here 20 times 75 minus 1 times 75. This is the same as 19 times 75. Okay? So what we did here is, instead of 19, we put 20 minus 1, because 20 minus 1 is 19. Okay?
Yeah.
And then we multiplied 75 by 20, and then 75 by 1. What is the between them is subtraction. Don't forget it. Subtraction is between them. And then we multiplied 20 times 75. Why? Because 20 times 75 minus 1 times 75. 1 times 75. Okay? Which is 75. So it is 1,500 minus 75, which is 1,425.
Teacher,
Yes.
why you put 25 here?
Where is 25?
1,500 minus 75.
Because 1 times 75 equals 75.
So I have 1 minute only.
Yes, we have less one minute. So we'll stop here. Next class,
So what is-
inshallah. Wait.
Homework, teacher.
Type homework. I will share it with you guys, okay? I will share it with you, okay? In Discord.
Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Type, guys. So we might stop here. Okay.